Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Raya Kuta Street during the pandemic corona. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today I will explore Raya Kuta Street during the pandemic corona in July 2021. And start from 3 until 20 of July, we are locked down in Bali. So I just want to show you how like the condition at the moment in Kuta area. And today is a second day of the lockdown in Bali. You see the right side? There is a lot of shop is closed. Also left side actually. Just want to show you. It's very bad. No people there. On video, there is a shopping mall, and this area the central for the shopping area. You see the left side? There is Matahari Square in Kuta. It's the most famous shopping area, but it's closed. Let's going back to the main street, to the Raya Kuta Street. You see the left side? There's a big hotel we call Grand Inn, but it's very quiet. And at the front, there is the Kuta beach. And you see the right side, there is the Hard Rock Cafe, and no people there. It's very quiet. It's very bad. Even on the sidewalk, it's no people. And this is the another big shopping mall in Kuta. We call Beach Walk. And you see, there's no people there. Because all the mall must be closed on this time during the lockdown. There is Pullman Hotel in the right side, but also look quiet. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like and hit the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.